Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E40. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with none and let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select swipe, pin, password, and in the end let's select pattern. When it's done, we can set up Fingerprint Unlock, and the fingerprint sensor is located right here. Simply tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now let's use my fingerprint to unlock the phone. And the last method to unlock the phone is face unlock. Simply scan your face in this area. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.